Hello again. We've gone through several steps in editing our video. We're on the iPad, we're using iMovie. We've added titles, we've edited clips, we've raised the sound, we've increased the volume, done many things. Now let's say we're done and we want to publish this to YouTube. So we're on our screen here. Let's go to the upper left-hand corner and let's go back. Also notice though, we have yet to title this. In my case, it's called My Movie 6. So we'll title it back on the other screen. So by tapping on that arrow on the top left-hand corner, it will take us back to this screen. Now let's look at some of the choices. First of all, let's fix our title. Instead of My Movie 6, let's put a title in there. So by tapping right in that space, your keyboard will come up, and then you can call it whatever it is that you want. I'll just call this one Practice Movie. And you can see the date, and you can see the time, and so on. So if I'm satisfied with that title, I'll tap Done, and there it's changed the title of my movie. Now, in the middle here, I can play by pressing the play button, or that second icon in there with the square or the icon there with the up arrow. Let's tap on that, and by doing so you can see the various places that I can export or move my video, my finished video. I can put it to iMovie Theater, I can share it with Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, CNN, Message, or Mail. Down below there's a save video or iTunes, but today we're talking about saving it to YouTube or sending it to YouTube. Okay? So if I wanted to do that, I would first tap on YouTube. But before I do that, I'm going to assume that you already have a YouTube account. You've set it up. You know the username and password. So let's tap on YouTube. And then right away, we'll get a couple screens. That top screen there is saying sign into YouTube. Now your login is your Google account, whatever that email is and your password. So I will go ahead right now and sign in. And now that I've signed in, there's my title. I can type in a description. It says it's optional. I'd want to choose the category, and I scroll through here and I'd put that in education. I can tag the video. That's also optional. Notice the choices here. Depending on who you ask and what their preference is, different people have different opinions on the size of the video that they would like to post. It's of my opinion that you should at least go with the HD, either 720 or 1080. So let's change that to 720, and then I can set it as private or unlisted or public. And when I'm ready, and you can see that I'm signed in at the bottom there, I would just click Share. Now after I've tapped Share, there's a couple things to think about. One, the length of your video, and then two, the strength of your wireless signal in the building that you're at. So just remember that it takes a little patience when it's uploading, and then it takes a little bit of time, depending on the length, for YouTube to process your video.